Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a user-style manager like Stylus. This is the only reliable way to change YouTube fonts site-wide. Once installed, grant it permission for YouTube. Com and open the extension. You create a new style scoped to the YouTube domain so your changes apply consistently. Make sure to name the style so you can edit it later. This avoids changing system or browser zoom and targets YouTube's elements directly, which is why it's more precise and reversible. You now write the CSS that actually increases font size. For example, target common elements like it formatted string, title and hash container, and set font size to a comfortable value such as 16px or 18px, and add line height 1, 2 to keep layout readable. Once you paste the rules into the new style and save, enable it. Then navigate to a channel page, video watch page, and comments to confirm consistency. If some text looks clipped, adjust selectors or increase. You finish by refining and testing. If a specific label resists sizing, append, important or use transform. Scale 1, 0.5 for that selector. This forces override of YouTube's inline rules. Make sure to clear site cache or disable conflicting extensions when changes don't appear. If layout breaks, reduce font size or add line height. Keep a copy of your CSS so you can restore settings easily. Lastly, remember extensions behave differently on mobile. Disable the style on phone browsers if it causes issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.